Good day everyone, my name is Yunel Bientitamo and I will recite Article 14 Aggravating Circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1. That advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2. That the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Number 3. That the act be committed with insult or in disregard of the respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or of use ungratefulness. Number 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence or where the public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or in a place dedicated to religious worship. Number 6, that the crime be committed in the night time or uh, in an uninhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall be acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. Number 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who ensure or afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished of an offense which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed in consideration of price, reward, or promise. Number 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Number 13, that the act be committed with evidence redimitation. Number 14, that the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery. There is a treachery when the offended commits any other crime against the person, employing means, methods, forms of the execution thereof which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution without risk of himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Number 17, that means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy of for the natural effects of the act. Number 18, that the crime be committed after an unlawful entry. There is an unlawful entry when an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. The number 19 is like the number is the same like the number 18. So the number 20 is that the crime be committed by aid of a person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercraft, airships, or other similar means. The number 21 is that the wrong done in the commission of a crime be deliberately augmented other by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission. And that's all. Thank you.